guys, I'm back with a brand new video. Today we are going to be reviewing and talking about the Cirrus Vision Jet. I'm currently in X-Plane Mobile. Okay, let's go on free flight. And here I have the Cirrus Jet S50, which is the Cirrus Vision Jet. We'll be spawning in Innsbruck. Vision Jet is actually quite a cheap private jet. It only costs around $2 million, which for a jet is quite cheap. This is the Cirrus Vision Jet. Okay, the Cirrus Vision Jet, as you can see here, has a egg shaped fuselage. It looks a little bit like a very short bird, and the wings actually quite small for this aircraft, and has a very interesting tail design. It is, I think, an X tail. A rather peculiar engine design. The engine is on the top. It's quite small because it seats 7 humans. Here, and open the door. Here you have 5 passenger seats, quite nice cabin design, 2 pilot seats, one for the pilot, one for the co-pilot, and thick screens, 2 big ones and then 3 smaller ones. One thing that is quite weird about it, it has a parachute. Okay, let's go and take off. Good, okay, good. Let's put some flaps on. Because the runway is quite short here, I'm gonna put 35%, which is quite a lot. I normally actually only put around 10%. I might overrun, so that's why I'm gonna put a little bit more flaps. Okay. Okay, let's prepare for takeoff. Let's take off. So full throttle. Okay, 60 knots. Let's rotate. 80 knots. Let's rotate. Let's rotate. We are quite fast. Okay, let's just get some altitude. Put okay. I'm releasing some smoke, kind of. So the Cirrus Vision Jet seats around 7 people. It is quite a good plane, I have to say. I really like flying it. And the cabin is also pressurized, so you can fly at 20-30,000 feet without any problems. Okay. Let's just say we have fire. Now we should be losing speed, and our screen should go off. Okay, and now you can deploy the parachute. We'll do weird stuff, and we are now slowly descending to the ground. Yes, sadly in the X-Plane mobile version the parachute is not available, so you can't see it. But in X-Plane 11 you can actually see the parachute, and it looks quite cool. Let's get landing gear out and prepare to die. As you can see, we are slowly dropping from the sky, a little bit faster than I actually want to, but I think we might be able to do a smooth landing. Okay, let's now fly at another airport. With X-Plane Mobile now, they actually made extremely detailed, much like X-Plane 11. Here. Okay, let's taxi to the runway. We're going to be using runway
02.
smaller runway, which is mostly used by small planes like Cirruses or Cessnas. Okay, let's drive. Oh, in this map here, the scenery is extremely nice. You have very detailed mountains and everything. I really like it. Okay, let's turn around here. This is runway 2. And okay, let's get into position to start. Okay, right now we are at the start of the runway. It's actually quite thin. The Cirrus barely fits onto it. Because the Cirrus actually fits onto every runway. It's very, very thin. Okay, let's take off full throttle. Okay, let's stay on center line. Let's not roll off the runway. Yeah. Let's not roll off. Let's not overrun. I think that was good. Okay. Let's check out that. Okay. That was quite good. Though it was quite late for Cirrus, I could have taken off earlier. Okay. Yes. Now we are leaving the airport behind us and we are flying towards mountains. In this map, there's actually one very big mountain. I would have to find it. I don't know where it is right now exactly. And here is the Cirrus. Let's do a landing here at the same airport. On 02 final, which means if I overrun there, I will overrun into the other runway. Okay, good. Let's put gear out and try to actually land. I don't know where the poppy lights are, if those are these things there. No, those are just containers. I'm confused. Okay, reduce speed, put flaps. Okay, I'm actually quite high, I think. I think I'm a little bit too high and a little bit too fast. Yeah, I'm a little bit too high. Okay, just my approach is just terrible. Okay. That's gonna get rough. It's gonna get rough. No, no, no. Oof, that was rough. That was rough. That was very rough. Okay. I think I actually never did that rough landing ever. Okay, let's look at that. Okay, the approach is terrible. I can see that. Oh, oof, 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 okay. Yeah. So, thank you for watching today's video and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time. Cheers.